Oh! Right side. The second he sees me, he's gonna shoot at me. Yep. I think that's our teammate standing there. Tan? You tan? Tan, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try and get our teammate.
You didn't give us any colors.
Yeah, because you have tan.
Well, the problem is now they don't know if I'm a mercenary or tan.
Was that a...
I got hit. Did you get hit?
I don't think so.
Only I got hit. I got two. Can I die twice?
No, but I was moving you in the process.
So I can't. I didn't hear that as a rule.
Well, then technically you'd be using someone as a human shield, even if they're dead.
Oh, if you were behind them, I guess. Yeah, that's cool.
What? Well, that's more convenient.
We're supposed to use.
Why did I even bring these?
Because they didn't put rules up before.
They originally did use bandages.
The last time I was here is when they opened. So
me too. Me too.
I have no fucking.
Well, the field does, but this team doesn't.
Oh.
So does Orange mean medic?
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking we were like.
Wait, who's that? Who's that?
There's also green medics though.
The fat guy is on my team.
We got a guy on the far right side. Yep.
Well, so I guess I'm back up, right?
Yep.
I thought there was a refund.
No, no. I think we got that. Yeah, those are ours.
Oh! He's trying to call me.
He has learned feeling between the ricochet and
Yeah, it's hard. Brian!
You guys still up? All you gotta do is change your top and you're on a different team.
What?
Go from black to green?
Yeah.
I like the SWAT outfit.
Yeah, I'm all about SWAT.
How am I gonna get over there?
Put that together.
Whoa!
You see where that medic, well, not medic, the guy pulled me into the building?
Okay, we are royally screwed.
I got pulled into a building and I'm with some dude in a SWAT outfit. It's pretty dope.
Oh, wait, I see. He's right in the building to the right of us.
Maybe if you guys pull.
Nah, then you're gonna get shot by someone we didn't see.
Should I just go for it, Brian?
No.
Yes or no? Watch out, Brian. Set. Go. Medic's out of the building now.
Is he safe?
He should be.
Got one guy in the building right next to us and one on the far side.
What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. I'm Jeff.
Jeff.
Let's go back, JP. Since when are full auto guns allowed?
Only MMGs. Essentially heavy machine guns with a heavy magazine mounts.
Got him.
Nice. I have no place to clean my goggles. I'm not fogged, but moist. Okay, that sounds like fun. Yeah, I see the green smoke. Hit, hit, hit.
Oh, you already. Bang! I don't know what happened. Oh, your team? Yeah.
Oh, wait, your team?
You guys are all. Oh, fuck. These guys over here, like, there's guys in black right there. So I ran in and shot.
So, does that mean I have to wait before I can walk back?
Yeah, you're still alive, I think. You and I are still alive, bud? Yeah, we're still alive. These guys this way.
You shot me, though.
Also, you sorry, brother. You?
I can't walk. Because that's still friendly fire. Yeah, that. Don't worry, they're teammates. They're teammates.
Pan?
Of course, I don't have a medic, so I'm just going to bleed out at this point.
Just yell for medic. Medic!
Believe me, we have some guys. We should have one in the building right to the right of us, right here, and then one on the far side.
Alright, hopefully you're not leading me to my own guy.
I forgot where the bomb is.
We're looking for a bomb?
Well, no, there's a bomb over the wall.
They're in that building right there. Who is this? Oh, I just missed that fucker. Might have a beat on us now. Are you taking fire from this side?